Hello explorers, welcome to your channel Science and Tech Explorers. How are you? I'm your host Yatharth Nayar. What is light? In today's video, we'll explore light and its spectrum. So firstly, what is light? Light, according to physics, laws and another theories, are explained as an electromagnetic wave. So, light is an electromagnetic wave, but only wave. This nature was discovered by two scientists. That when light was passed without an observer, it happened like a wave. But if it was passed through an observer, it worked like an atom. So what is it? This phenomena is known as quantum decoherence. During the observer, this is observed by third party. So there happens the quantum decoherence. Decoherence is a pattern that disturbs the usual pattern and disturbs the synchrony between the atoms, particles, etc. So, when wave, it is quantum ecoherent, and when particle, it is quantum decoherent. So, what is the spectrum of light? Spectrum of light is that we can see only a small part of light, that is Vibgyor. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These colors we can see. UV means ultra to violet, and IR, infrared, which are from which frequency of light we control, is infrared, is smaller vibration than red. UV is ultra than red. UV waves are found naturally. UVA and B waves are found naturally by our sun, and it is a natural emitter of many X-rays, gamma rays that we cannot see. There are X-rays, gamma rays, alpha rays, beta rays, etc. So this video ends here. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching our video in Science and Tech Explorers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and stay curious.